Hello everyone. So welcome back to the another project ideas video in project idea learning series. So let's start with the new project idea in Android application. So in this we are going to create a hostel management application. We are going to streamlining all the accommodation services provided by the hostels and the PGs. So let's move to the next part. What is the introduction here? So in introduction you can see we have provided the project name is the hostel management application, and objective of this application to develop an advanced Android application for managing the hostel, guest house and the similar accommodation. So who are the target users for us? Like hostel manager and the staffs and the guests. So basically three target user we are going to focus. So let's move to the problem statement and the solution part. So what is the current challenges that we are facing in the market? We are going to do the manual booking processes, the guest data management, and inefficient communication of the with guest and the staffs. And thirdly, we are going to facing a lot of difficulty in generating the accurate report and the tracking room availability. So what is the proposed solution that we are going to provide? We are going to provide the hostel management application to provide a digital platform for automating and streamlining all the aspect hostel management from booking guest communication, from booking to guest communication. So what is the basic key feature we are going to provide in our application is we are going to provide the guest information management. We are going to store and manage the detailed guest profiles including the personal information and stay history, and securely we can handle the guest check-in and check-out process as well. And secondly, we are going to create a booking and reservation system. We are going to show a real-time availability check and room bookings, and we are going to also show the calendar view for managing the current and the future bookings. Third, we are going to create a communication tool. We are going to send automated SMS and the email notification for booking confirmation and reminders in any update. We are going to add in-app messaging for the direct communication with the guests. Fourthly, we are going to generate the reports. We are going to generate detailed report on occupancy, revenue, and the guest demographics. We are going to export the data for the analysis and record keeping. Fifth, we are going to provide the additional feature like payment gateway integration for the online payments like Razorpay, Stripes, and etc. And we are going to get the feedback and rating system for the guests to share their experience. So these are the basic key features that we are going to provide in our Android application. So what is the implementation plan for how we can going to implement this application? We are going to create a UI UX design. We are going to design a user friendly interface that with easy navigation and clean layout. Secondly, we are going to create the backend, and we have a backend team as well. So we are develop a backend for develop the secure database for store the guest information, booking data, and the transaction record. We are going to implement the RESTful API for communication between the app and the server. And thirdly, we are going to develop the front end application. We are going to use some Android SDKs and Kotlin for building the application. Incorporate features like push notification, SMS integration, and the email automation system that we are going to add in our Android application. And a third one, we are going to conduct a testing, and conducting through the testing functionality, security, performance, and beta testing with a small group of users for the feedback and the improvements. And fourthly, we are going to deploy and maintain it. So we are going to launch our application on Play Store, and we are going to regular update and maintenance to add a new feature or any bugs we need to fix it. So what is the basic and the future enhancement of this application? So the benefits are for hostel management. We are going to streamline operation, reduce manual workload, and improve guest satisfaction. And secondly, we are going to create something for the guests. We are going to book easy booking process, timely communication, and better overall experiences. For developers, we are going to provide the hands-on experience for the advanced Android development and the data management and communication feature. And for the future enhancement, we can see integration with the third party and travel booking platform, and advanced analytics for the business insight, mobile app for the staffs with task management with the real-time updates. So thank you. So if you have any other query, so you can just drop a mail to the contact at the Codersarts as it is mentioned here. So you can just if you need any assistance in your assignment or coding project, you can just drop a mail to contact at the codersarts.com. So thank you everyone.